Hi Tila team, my name is Nitin Sharma. Today I explain what is the process of cancel order if our order cancel is after batch creation. Because when we create the batch, our pick is created and pick assigned to devices for picking. But if our is if our order cancel after batch creation, so we need to pick the order. After that, we do cancel return and put away the same item in the bin. So today I explain full process. What is the process? How we can do this process? So first of all, we can check one order. The order is current status is warehouse process. The order number is 3 times 0 3731. The currently status this order is warehouse process. You can track as well of this order status. So first CRM pending, second status is confirmed, and third status is batch created. That means the order batch created, the pick are created, and pick assign device as well. But pick is not started. Okay. So first we check in nav ki this order pick created or not. So just we can check with filter of order number, item number, which filter you want to check. You can apply filter. So here you can check this is order number 0003731. Pick are created, pick number also generated. So you can check pick number as well. So after that we can check the pick number with the help of pick number ki this order pick which device are assigning. So for this we can go to WMS admin dashboard, just apply the filter pick number and you can see this order number and pick number and device ID, which device ID this order is assigned for picking. So we need to process full process of picking if order creation after batch of order cancel after batch. So first we try to cancel this order. So you know what is the process of order cancel. We just go to details. Yes, select our SKU, select region, which region we want to cancel this order, anyone, change mind, test order. So just click on cancel. Yeah, system is popping, you are sure you want cancel these items. So we just click on OK. When we click on OK, so our order is cancelled and ticket also created. The ticket because we need to, if the order is prepared, we need to refund, and this is a process. So now we can see this order status. This is a ticket ki our order is cancel and refund require yes. So now we can check our order status. Currently our status is cancel. You can see CRM pending, confirm, batch created and cancel. Okay, so our order is cancelled, but it not mean you don't do the picking process. In current scenario you need to do your picking process. After that we have one separate screen in OFS cancel return item. Here when you pick full quantity of your order, your order is appear in cancel return item. Here you can select device IDs. After that you can pick the order and put the order. So first we pick this order. So just we log in with device ID P2 P101 with the mobile. Yes, WMS mobile. Here same P2 P101. Yes, our username and our password. Just click on login. Click on picking screen. As you know the picking process. I don't need to explain the picking process, I think. So here our pick number is 304. We can confirm as well. Yes, we just click on picking ID. Here we scan barcode, bin number, which bin we want to pick this item, F2/27G04. Pick quantity, only one quantity. Here we put the put bin number. We already have a put bin number, so copy, we can copy put bin number and put here and just click on confirm. After, our second item is just copy barcode, yes, and bin number. Just click on confirm. So our pick is complete. So if order cancel after batch creation, so first we need to do our full pick process, but we do not need to pack the order. If we try to pack this order, system getting a error. So we can try pack this order as well. Yes. For packing, we go to OFS and box packing screen. We just put table ID, packing our box number, and just scan our bin. So it's saying red. That means the order is cancelled. So if we try to pack this order, system not allowed to pack this order. So we not pack this order. So after pick process, we go to the cancel return item. For cancel return item screen, we just go to the special handling, and here you find cancel return item. Just click on it. Here we can filter some item number, some order number, some pick number. We have so many filters. So we just copy the item number. We again go to the cancel return item screen. Just click on order number and just search. So here you find your order number. So just we select our items, select user. Here you define the return return device ID. After you select the WMS user device ID, you can just click on assign user. So now we try to log in our return device ID. Yes. (102). Yes. User ID, same user ID. Just log in. Just click on picking. So our cancel picking item we find in cancel picking screen, not picking screen. We find in cancel picking screen. This is our cancel item. So just we copy barcode and put here in barcode screen. Just confirm. Second one, just copy barcode number and put barcode field and just confirm. So our pick is created. It means we pick this item in the ship bin. Now our second process is put this inventory to the put pick bin. So just we go to put away screen, cancel return put away screen. So I think you are seeing is so many put away are pending. So here you can see type as well, return or cancel. We are again showing the screen return or cancel. So again you go to put away screen, yes. Here just click on cancel return. Here you find the full list, like type as well, return. What is the your put away type, return or cancel? Because we have a cancel put away, so we click on cancel document number. Just click on it. Here we find here we put our barcode, which barcode we want to put. Here we put bin number. System already you suggest bin number, this item already have this bin. So if you want to change bin, you also change. If you want to put same bin, so you can put same bin. Just click on confirm. We have a one more item. So again we copy item barcode number. Yes. Again go back. and put barcode number. Same, click on same system is showing bin number. If you want to change bin number, so you can change as well. Just click on confirm. So this is a full process of if order cancel after the batch creation. If order cancel before batch creation, we don't do any, no need to do anything. But after batch creation, if order cancel, you need to do this process. First you pick your full quantity. After that you find your order in cancel return screen. Here you can select your device IDs. After that you can go to WMS. First pick this order. After that you can put this order. So this is a full process. Thank you so much, guys.